Guys, what's going on? It's Jack here. Today we're going to go over my 2018 goals because, and I'll show you why, we got a new whiteboard. It is pristine and it is huge. It's absolutely huge. Comes with wall mounts as well, so I can hang it up on my wall. I've got 3 whiteboards now, so 3 whiteboards equals, as you all know, 3 times the success. Actually, first things first, I thought a whiteboard this big, it's way bigger than my other ones. I thought it was going to be like 150, 200 bucks. Picked it up for about $25 from Big W, so score. Now, what I want to talk about with my goals, my 2018 goals, it's not just going to be about Amazon, because I'm going to run over my second product, my goals for that, but it's going to be about Amazon, it's going to be about YouTube, and it's going to be about my overall 2018 financial goals. So let's get into it. So we got a new microphone as well. Well, it's my old microphone, but I sold my other one because I wanted to reuse this one because I found out that you could use it really well on the Mac, because I'm filming on my MacBook. But hopefully that's good microphone quality. I don't know how it is right now because I haven't checked it, but hopefully it's good. I'll adjust it as I go. But hopefully to give you guys a bit better audio quality in the videos that I do. We're going to get started here. I'm going to start writing down my goals on my huge whiteboard. Now, I don't have a place to put it just yet, but I'll start writing them down and then we'll go from there. So let's get started. I'm kind of doing this as I go. I've had it a bit planned out, but I'm kind of just writing it down as I go, so hopefully it doesn't look too bad. I know it looks like it's being written by like a 5th grader, but it's okay, don't stress. So first one, if you can't see there, my main goal for 2018, work for myself by the end of, by June 2018. So that's my main goal. Sorry about the terrible lines. So we're going to divide this down into 3 parts, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to show you in a second what that all is. So, Amazon. As I do a terribly not straight line. I might complete it later, but look, that's the best it's going to get right now. So, what do I want to do with my second product? So with my second product, like I said in my last videos, I want to make $5,000 on the minimum, $5,000 per month profit. So write that down. And I think I said I wanted to do this by April. Which hopefully, by the looks of these numbers on my second product, definitely is doable. So 5K month profit by April. Now, second one. After I get 5K, I want to get 10K month profit by end of July. That gives us another few months, 2019. So that gives us a whole year. So we've got, by April we want to be making $5,000 per month. Now once it gets to $5,000, we're going to be able to live financially free of $5,000 a month. So $5,000 a month, that's a little over $1,000 a week. So that's definitely doable, and it should be doable on one product. So $5,000 a month profit by April. So after that we've got $10,000 a month by July. That gives us a few more months. Now this hopefully can be done by the same product. If not, this will be done by a second product. 2 products should easily be able to make me $10,000 profit per month. Now, 20K profit per month is going to be a bit harder to hit, but I'd say if I can make the 5 and 10,000, I'll already have the steps in place to do 20,000 per month by the end of the year. That's all my Amazon goals, all sorted out. Basically, it's to get to 20,000 per month by the end of the year, but we're not going to hit them until we hit the 5,000 and the 10,000. Second one, we have YouTube. So we'll just say this one's the personal brand. Now the big thing here is how many subscribers. Now, the reason I've done subscribers on this is because the more subscribers that you have, the more views you're most likely going to have, and the more views that you get on your videos, the more revenue, the more ad revenue you're going to make. Now, we've only got 2 main ones for this one. So we want 1,000 subs by June. At the moment we're sitting at about 260, so hopefully by the time we get to 500, the push to 1,000 shouldn't be too difficult. So 1,000 by June, and then the second one, so we've got 5,000 by, we'll say 2019 for that one. Sorry about the handwriting, I know it's terrible. But, so the YouTube will tie in line with the personal brand. So, I'd say once I start hitting, because these two are going to tie in. So I'd say once I start hitting my numbers on Amazon and once I start documenting that, it's going to start, like my YouTube, my personal brand is going to start expanding, because people are going to want to know what I'm doing. So like I said in my last videos, people want to learn off someone who's actually done it themselves. So I've started documenting all my Amazon stuff, as you guys have seen, but the Amazon's going to tie in with the YouTube here. So once I start hitting these numbers, it should hopefully go from 260 to 500 to 1,000 pretty quickly once I start documenting my Amazon success from there. And once we get to 1,000 subs, hopefully before June, 1,000 to 5,000 should come a little bit easier than going from 0 to 1,000. So usually the first 1,000 are quite difficult. So hopefully we'll hit 5,000 by 2019, by the end of the year. So last one is finance and lifestyle. This one here, this is going to be split into 2 parts. So we'll do 2 here. First one, so first one is money. Now, at the moment, so I know that money isn't everything in life, but you have to have I think personally, if you want to become an entrepreneur, you have to have a goal when it comes to money, especially when starting out, because you need that capital there to start up other ventures. So for money, now, doesn't matter what happens throughout the year. I have one particular goal. Doesn't matter whether it comes from Amazon, whether it comes from YouTube, or whether it comes from other stuff. I have one financial goal, and that's to have 50k in the bank. So, yeah, by the end of 2019, 50k in the bank. So that doesn't matter whether it comes from Amazon, whether it comes from a personal brand and YouTube. Either way, I want to have 50k saved up by the end of the year. So, move out by June. So, currently, still living at home. Now, I'm going to be turning 23 this year. Now, my birthday's in June, so I'd love for it to be before then, but by the end of June, that's going to be my ultimate goal. So, move out. Now, I want to move out with my girlfriend, either into a unit or start renting a house. So, that's my first goal. So, my second goal, you can see that there, is travel to Japan for 3 weeks. So, I've been to Tokyo once. That was last year. I can't remember. I think it was last year. Now, we were only able to go there for about 4 or 5 days, and that was on the way to doing a big family trip. Now, I want myself and my girlfriend to travel to Japan, hopefully Tokyo again, because I want to stay there for 3 weeks in total. Now, I want all expenses to be paid by me or by us, and I want to have all the accommodation, all the flights, all the food, all the spending money, all to be provided by us. So that is my big goal. Now, if I'm saving 50k in the bank by the end of the year, it should be easily be doable for 3 weeks. Shouldn't cost that much to go to Japan, depending on what time you go. But love to go at the end of the year. That's just a personal goal for my lifestyle that I want to do. So to recap, 2018. Now, this is a big one. So the main goal by the end of the year is to work for myself. That is the biggest one. Now, how am I going to get there? So first, it's going to be Amazon. Now, I've already launched my first product. I have a few videos on that already. So, first product, I ended up doing about 3,000 profit over Christmas. Now, second product, because mine was a little bit seasonal, it was a bit of a sort of like one of those products you call a fling product. So, second product, the numbers look really good. I know how to actually look out for these kinds of numbers now. So, second product, I want to start off doing 5,000 a month. Now, the top guy on this listing, I'm going to be making my listing similar to his. He's doing about 90,000 per month, and that is on one product. He's selling about almost 4,500 units per month. So I'm going to start off doing 500 units. That was my test order. Now, if I sell out of that, the numbers are obviously looking good. So hopefully I sell out of that. Once I do that, so that should be about 4,000 to 5,000 profit. Now I'm going to reinvest and reorder. I'm going to reorder anywhere from about 750 units to 1,000. So that should make me hit the 5,000 mark per month. Should be on my way to 10,000 per month. And then after that, we'll go to 20,000 per month. Hopefully by the end of 2019, that's either going to be one product or two products. Next thing, we got the YouTube personal branding. So my main goal is for subscribers. Now I want to have 1,000 subs by June. Now it's going to be a climb going from, because we're on about 260 subscribers at the moment. It's going to be a bit of a climb going from 260 to 1,000. But hopefully once we hit 1,000, it'll be a bit quicker and the process will speed up, especially when it ties in with Amazon, with my Amazon success. It'll go to 5,000 subs, hopefully a bit quicker. And the last thing, now finance and lifestyle. My money, I want to have 50,000 in the bank by the end of this year, so by 2019. And hopefully these two will come into big play with that. But either way, I want to have 50k saved in the bank by then. My lifestyle, now currently living at home. I want to move out by June with my girlfriend. So hopefully by then, now if it's before my birthday, I'm about mid-June for my birthday. I'll still be 22, otherwise I'll be 23 by then. But by the end of June, I want to be moved out by then. Hopefully either in a unit or in a house. So I've been to Japan once, I've been to Tokyo. Only got to go there for about 4 or 5 days. It was still amazing, but I want to go there for a full 3 weeks, all expenses paid by myself and my girlfriend. So that were my goals for 2018. Hopefully you guys got a bit of value out of this one. Now I suggest you guys write your goals down as well if you are thinking of starting up your own business, starting up entrepreneurship as well. Now I find writing down my goals very helpful, and I'm going to stick it up above my desk, because every time I'm working or every time I'm sitting at my desk, I can have a look up and it'll just be above my laptop, and I can keep reminding myself what I'm aiming for this year. Because if you're doing work, and you're trying different things, if you don't have a goal of where you're aiming to, you're kind of just reaching, you're not so much reaching for the stars, you're just sort of reaching out nowhere, you're just kind of hoping things will work out. If you have a clear direction, you're definitely, the universe is going to move itself, and you're going to end up making your dreams come true and making yourself successful and getting the things that you want. Apart from that, guys, that was my 2018 goals recap. Now I'm going to have some more videos coming out on my second product once that comes into Amazon. Hopefully it should be in less than a week now that it's coming in, so I'm getting very excited. I'm prepping for that. I'm getting everything ready that I need to. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this whiteboard up above my laptop, up above my desk there, and I'm going to be revising it. I'm going to be looking over it every morning, hopefully every morning and every night. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was a bit insightful for you. Like I said, if you have goals, write them down, buy yourself a whiteboard. It was only $25 for that one. You can buy a smaller one for even cheaper if you don't have the $25 there. Start writing down your goals, or even on a bit of paper. That's what I used to do. But just start writing them down and start doing them. If you have any other questions about Amazon, just leave them in the comments down below. Even on YouTube stuff. Like I said, I'm a newbie to the YouTube stuff as well. But hopefully we can grow those subs and it'll tie into the Amazon stuff that we're doing. But apart from that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Enjoy your day.